The European Union has launched a biodefense preparedness plan against COVID-19 variants. UN chief urges G20 to prepare a global vaccination plan. NATO says the withdrawal of its troops from Afghanistan is conditional on the Taliban fulfillment of its commitment to reduce violence and negotiate in good faith. Pakistan and Egypt agree to strengthen bilateral relations. Nearly 5,000 Hong Kong citizens sign up for a new UK visa. Facebook news goes dark in Australia as content path escalates. India to test travel from Brazil, South Africa, the UK after detecting new coronavirus strains. The US reiterates its commitment to enhancing security ties with the Philippines.